Alright guys, we are upstairs in our studio, and as you can see we have the fabulous Trendsetter set right here from RDB Wheels. One of them is in the brushed with clear coat, and the other one is in a gloss black colorway, so you get to see both of our most popular colorways for this. Obviously the brushed clear shows the wheel off more, and the gloss black just looks mean. So these two are actually going on Spectres, but they can be made for any other vehicle, Rolls Royce, Range Rover, anything you want, even Ferraris if you want. Whatever you want, we make them. These are in 24-inch right here. As you see, the little details on it. You got the brushed cap in metal. All our caps are actually metal. They're not plastic like a lot of the ones out there. And we reuse the factory center cap so it stays floating and all that stuff real nicely. If you check out basically what we have going on here, you could stick your whole hand under there and we give it this really ultra concave look, which looks really incredible on these Rolls Royces when we are rolling on the street. Contact us, we can ship this anywhere in the world. And we could ship them with wheel tire packages with sensors installed. We could just ship the wheels if you want. However way you want it, we got it. I think this is the best looking wheels right now for the Rolls Royce. We got the Rolls Royce Spectre kitted out right here. This is the 1016 Industries body kit. This is the standard kit, so there's more parts to it, but this customer did not want to do some of those extra tidbits. So for now, we got all the lower parts on there and the roof spoiler and the trunk spoiler. As you can see, you got that front lip right there. It goes right onto the bumper, fits perfectly. It is in black badge carbon, which is pretty much the exclusive carbon fiber for black badge cars for Rolls Royce OEM. And now 1016 is actually making that weave to match it. So this makes a lot of sense for Rolls Royce builds. Other times we do forged carbon, regular carbon, but this is really pretty weave, honestly. It has the full side skirt right there. Check that out. So the entire thing's exposed. We did not paint anything on this kit. This is all literally, we bought it from 1016 and placed it onto this vehicle. If you want, you could paint certain things on it. You could leave certain things exposed, whatever you want. But this one, we're really showcasing that beautiful black badge carbon. And then obviously we got the RDB Trendsetter wheels over here. He bought some wheels before this build was in progress from another company, and he really was excited about them. And unfortunately, when we put it on, he didn't like the look of them. They looked a little small and just didn't go well. So we got him Trendsetter wheels real fast. 24-inch, like I said, brushed, beautiful wheel, fits perfectly on this car. This car is also lowered. The ride height is perfect. These cars don't have adjustable buttons to go up and down, so they stay like this. And then when you go on the freeway and drive a little bit higher speeds, this car will actually go down a little bit on its own. Beautiful interior. As you can see, we have the Mandarin orange interior right here. Really nice. We even did the Mandarin orange emblems throughout this build, so it's got that. And then we go to the back, which is my favorite part about it, because we have all that black badge carbon right there. We got the roof spoiler right there, really nice design. The trunk spoiler, which is badass. This trunk spoiler is beautiful. And then the full-on bottom bumper. I call it the bottom bumper and not diffuser because it's literally as big as the top of the bumper, and it's fully made in black badge carbon. Completely, looks incredible. It's not over the top. It's a more simple design, like an OEM plus look, and I think it came out really, really nice. So you got that satin black, you got the gloss black, and you got black badge carbon with orange to top it off. So really a gorgeous car. We have 2 other Spectres here in progress. You guys saw a little sneak peek of the forged carbon Spectre we're doing with the same kit, but with all the accessories. It's gonna have a piece that goes around the tail light, another piece on the door, so it's gonna get more pieces. And then we have a Spectre that we're doing a blackout with wheels, and then I forget, but there's another Spectre coming for a full forged carbon Mansory kit as well. So we got our hands tied up with Spectres, but yeah, let us know your thoughts on this. I think this is a beautiful car.
Hey, go down. No, chill, relax, don't worry.
Wait.
Go down. Go down, you piece of shit. Hey, go down, I'm getting dizzy. Go down! I'm here, I'm gonna... Go down, hurry up. Oh!
So you guys heard me say I need to change my engine, but you didn't actually see the car, and here it is. The front end is off the car, and Javier is removing the bottom. He's going to be removing the entire engine out of my car, probably including the transmission as well. And then we're going to be swapping it with that used engine that I showed you guys previously. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of connections. The last engine he replaced was that Diablo that he took out and put back. That was a V12, but it was an older car. And this is gonna be a fun job. So let's see if we can get it back on the road.
What's this? Peace and love. That's it?
You do it, Daniel.
Oh, sube bastante esa madre.
What's going on? Yo, chill, don't push him.
Dale, duro. Oh, mames. En la madre. You see this? ¿Qué, güey? I have a lot of fucking watches. Hey, this guy is bothering me. Pinche vato.
Got a new insurance job. This came from Orange County somewhere, and probably watching this video, so thank you for trusting us. We're going to be fixing your car. It's a pretty crazy looking Lexus right there. It's RCF 2015, and the right side has some damage, but other than that, pretty cool car, so we're going to be fixing it up.
This is a Porsche day, we call it. It's called Porsche Fridays. What we mean by that is we do services on a lot of Porsches on Fridays. We have completed one here. This is the Carrera, beautiful car. This one's done. Now we are doing a same service on a 911 Turbo S, which is right on that side.
No, someone said that you had an RS6.
I
The
wish.
Audi.
I wish.
Imagine.
I
That'd be
wish.
sick.
Yeah, that would be amazing. Yeah. I know. I mean, I am an Audi fan, but these Porsches are nice, man. Wow.
That'd be cool if you had one.
One day. Let's see. Vic promised me something.
All right, let's get straight into this drift McLaren being built in 100 days. It's a 650S McLaren, a GT3 P1 GTR combined, which is like nuts. He's putting a 3-rotor engine in it. It's a really, really cool build to follow, to be honest.
How much power is that going to push out?
1,000 horsepower.